Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Word and choosing a template or blank document so you avoid wasted clicks. Once done, set auto-save to OneDrive or local storage. This protects changes automatically. Next, change default font, size, and paragraph spacing in home and layout to match your style. Make sure to enable proofing language so spell check is accurate, and pin the document to recent if you'll revisit it. This saves time and keeps your workflow ready. You now build content using styles for headings. This gives structure and creates an instant navigation pane. Once headings are set, insert images, tables, and smart art from the Insert tab. Compress images to reduce file size. Use the References tab to insert a table of contents, citations, and cross-references so your document stays professional and consistent. Make sure to update fields before sharing, and review track changes or comments so collaborators see a clean, final version. You finish by exporting to PDF or using Save as to preserve layout and check compatibility mode if older features appear. Once done, run Editor and Read Aloud to catch errors, then accept or reject track changes before the final save. If something goes wrong, make sure to try Safe Mode to open Word or restore an unsaved version from OneDrive. As a key troubleshooting tip, if the file is corrupt, copy sections into a new document to rescue text and rebuild formatting quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.